Hey, good morning, everyone. So today is the 5th of August, and I'm going to do the summary for how the VMS 2.0 did through the month of July. Overall, we had 9 trades that we took in July, 6 of which were winners, and 3 of which were losers. With our strategy and money management, any loser that we have is 1R, just like that. And R value represents what your risk is. So whatever with us, we do somewhere between 1% and 2% of our bankroll, and never any more than that. So whatever your risk level is, that's what the R is going to represent. Okay. So overall, out of the 9 trades, I'm going to show you all 9 trades. And so the first one here is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. This red line signifies the beginning of the month. And we took this one from a triple top. VMS 2.0 identified everything. It was very strong. We had an engulfing candle trigger. We put this one on a trigger watch for everybody else. This is just a recent one that gave us the win at the end of the month. And so that one we got 3R on. Swiss franc to the Japanese yen. We just happened to be in the yen short when whatever news came out or whatever they did to make this market stronger. The yen was strong against everything else. This one we were in, for almost a full month before we got the win on it, and we took another 3R on that one. Euro to the Canadian dollar right here. Okay, so this is a loss that we took. And, they don't all work out every time, guys. And we thought this one was going to go up. Everything that we were looking at said up, and it it went down. So we took a 1R loss on that one. Euro to the yen was another loss. And again, this one, look at what happened here. We were short, and the market took us out considerably. I'm not going to say that was just barely taken out. That was considerable. But we based our stop loss on the swing highs here and the swing high here, not the swing high up here. That would have been too much for us. So took another loss on that one. And pound to the dollar. Okay, so pound to the dollar, we took from a triple bottom, and we had really good rejection down here. You can see momentum was kind of consolidating, but we did get a really nice hook here with daily volume at 87, which is super strong. And we set our profit target up here at the next obvious level. That's what you want to look for on your profit targets. The stop loss is always going to be your swing low in this case, and then you put the ATR tool up. I'm going to show you that real quick, just average true range. You put that up, and it gives you the numbers over here. That's the ATR. Now, with those numbers, you're going to deduct, in this case, 1.5, whatever the ATR is, and that's your stop loss. Okay, so that one we took 2R on. We'll never take anything less than 2R. New Zealand dollar to the US dollar is another trade that we took last month. And this one showed just some fantastic resistance down here. Momentum was very strong. It's the only time I'll take momentum on a single peak. Excuse me. Normally I like double peaks like this one where it's divergent. But this particular one, if it's really low, this one was like almost at 100, minus 100. And then we had that super strong engulfing candle right here, and that's what got us into the market. And that one we took 2.7R on. The next one is the dollar to the yen. And again, anything that had anything to do with the yen. So this one we took a loss on. We tried coming in. Momentum here was just incredible. I've never seen a triple peak on momentum before. And so I was very excited about this one going down. And we got into it here. We actually took three losses in this market. And it's like, okay, maybe this market's not for us, right? but then it does something like this. So that doesn't mean that we give up on it. We just keep watching for alignment in volume, momentum, and structure. And once all of those triggers line up, then we have found that you'll be right more than you're wrong, and you will be wrong sometimes. So don't let it don't let it affect your mentality. And look at this next one here, dollar to the Canadian dollar, and right back here you can see that we took this was one trade, but we took two wins from it because I liked it so much that I added a second position on a different broker. And so we ended up taking 5R on this one. And okay, so that's the facts, guys. Those are what actually happened in our live account. And so overall, what we ended up with was 18.3R for the month. We had to take 3R out from the losses. So we ended up with 15.3R for the month of July. And our goal every month is 12R per month. You're going to grow really nice. Okay, so that's the summary for July. And after August is done, I'll do another summary for you. Have a great day.